You see, and then create after school program, create evenings program, like
Yeah.
I just used to leave. I'm saying like I mean like when people come to work for my dad, and then taking care of us. We don't sleep, back people was like people sleep in the house, and then and the servant go sleep in the backyard. They used to use like a different bathroom. Oh God, my dad, man, not in the house, man. That was not never allowed those things in the house, man. And when you finish to work, you go your house because my dad was say like no, they have a family too. But for us again, make like those back with those colonizers, like oh God, they see in the backyard. And but now they say no, they have a family too. They have a wife, they have a husband, and then they have kids. They have same thing when I'm coming from work. I'm happy to have my. They have to go to their kids now. Why we trying to hold them over here, and they have to sleep, and then during the summertime, my dad don't take. They don't have to work because summertime. My dad tell them no, they don't have to work during summertime. But until now, you go spend time with your family. That's why we learn how to cook and clean this because during summer we have to learn the same. And I said no. So a lot of things like my dad was believe on saying I didn't understand at the time because it was little, but again with time, I see like why you feel like you invest so much in us, and then if people like ourselves keep living Haiti, keep moving, and then not stay in Haiti, and then to go from this generation to pass it, those kind of good, those good habits, and then to the next generation. Therefore, basically, like Haiti gonna disappear on the map. We still believe that's not only my dad over in Haiti. There's other family, but again, how many of them? So that's the question. But it's okay. So and the same thing, my dad going up and show us again. Don't go too fast. Again, don't do too much programs because programs all about noise. It's about make sure you can do one thing and then become great at it, and then never I growing up in Okai I'm going with the family while while my dad bought the land, built the house, expand it, blah 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 blah, and then that's the same model which is true over here. Don't try to create too much noise. Have 20 program, 20 this, 20 that. Nah, it's all noise. If you don't own it, it's gonna be gone overnight.